All right, all right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're out here trading the pre-market. As you can see, I have Kara up. I did miss the explosion. We're looking at the 3-minute chart for Kara today. I could change it to the 5-minute, and you can see that. So that's all the action that happened this morning. This is over a 1-minute time frame. And again, the purple line that I'm using is the volume weighted average price, the VWAP. So we're just going to hang tight. We're going to try and make a little bit of profit here this morning and then relax. Take a little lunch and then come back and see if anything else can be had. All right, we're still here. We're just relaxing. Let's see. So I have a list of stocks. Kara, bigger TV rights deal anticipated for WWE, so they've gone up 10%. Um, Revenue miss on AVAV down 8%. Nothing really too crazy here. I'll check my other list real quick. And I get this information, these pre-market movers, from basic free sources. So I just saw that DFBG, differential brand, is up 500%, you know? So let's check that out. On decent volume too, so let's check it out. Okay. So they made an acquisition. Engages in the design and distribution of apparel and clothing products. It operates through two segments also. Okay. 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 Well, this thing went from 89 cents to $5. So let's pull it up. DFBG on the NASDAQ. DFBG on the NASDAQ. Not coming up. Take a look. NASDAQ. Nope. Not seeing it. Not seeing it. Not, clearly, we're not seeing it. NASDAQ. Yep. That's disappointing. It's really disappointing. RKDA is up 23%. Let's see what's going on there. And AQXP is down 82%. Jeez. Down, down 82% for AQ. Down 82%, ladies and gentlemen. KDA. $200,000 pre-market. Not bad. Not bad. AQ XP is almost I don't know what happened there, so I'll check out the news on that one as well. AQXP, because that's a pretty big drop. Okay. Oh my. So this was a sorry. Yesterday, this was a $15 stock. Today, as of 9/19, it's a $2.50 stock. So it's pretty hilarious what can happen in the blink of an eye, right? They stop producing their drug, and people are like, "Let me the hell out of here! Let me out!" So it's incredible, absolutely incredible. I honestly wonder if anybody else is still in that, like anybody I know is in that stock. You know, get a good laugh today. WWE. So I'm going to check out WWE as well. And another one that's popping up is GBT. WWE. Can't believe the WWE is still popping. Outrageous. Okay. So that's our pre-market watch. We're watching WWE, RKDA. WWE is on the New York Stock Exchange. RKDA is NQ. I'm watching AQXP, also on Nasdaq, and I'm watching GBT on the Nasdaq. You know what? WWE, it's only traded almost 100,000 shares. I don't know if I'm gonna watch that. All the rest have traded at least a quarter mil. One's half a mil. One's almost a mil. Shares already pre-market. Okay, so we're just gonna relax, keep these up. I'm a contrarian trader, so there's two that I'm looking at right now that I kind of want to take to the upside, but I will wait. I definitely don't have a problem waiting. So 9 minutes until the pre-market opens. If you guys are traders, just let me know. If you're trading anything, just let me know. I'll post a watch list for you. Um, let's switch over to RKDA on this one. So this RKDA is the one that I said I'm a contrarian. Popped up in the morning a little bit, came down, and I would have been looking to buy at the end of this red candle. I don't really buy in on green candles, especially not at the top. I don't want to buy in at the top of the green candle. I'll just let it finish, and then if I was going to get in it, I'd get in at the start of the next candle. But again, just patience. Still some time till the market opens. I don't think I'm going to watch WWE. Checking out Jivo now. 30,000 shares, nothing special. For Micron. Okay, 500,000 shares for Micron. It's at $55. Popped up today. Looking good. I believe, let me check the daily real quick on Micron. Because I believe, was that 60 bucks the other day? Yeah, it was. Okay. So it was at $64 the other day. Now it's kind of 54.04, I would say, is like some long-term daily support. Again, I should probably let you guys see what I'm doing here. Hold on. So I just looked at Micron. I just want to see because it's up for the day, so I just want to quickly look, see if I could find any patterns from the daily recently. So this is going back to like, August of last year. Made a pretty good run up. Let's see. April 19th, we had this happen. Then it broke through it again and kind of got into a channel. So that right there for me is a good support level. If it breaks that, it broke that yesterday and then it kind of held and is responding from it now. So I'll see. I'm not particularly long here, Micron. I'm really not because let's see, since the end of May, so pretty much all of June, it's been trending down. Yeah, pretty much since the end of May, all of June, it's just been down. So, but again, it's not bad. It's not too bad. That support happened. It kind of pierced, but whatever. So we should be okay. So again, I'm just watching it because it moves. I gotta keep some stocks that move, some stocks that move quickly because I'm not here to, well, nothing against watching the market all day, but I'm always a preacher of mental capital and preserving that. So you got to be a warrior to trade all day, every day. Okay, let me pull back up our KDA. Perfect. And that's exactly why I don't buy, um, at the top of a green candle or anything like that. If I were to buy, I would buy here, you know. Um, but it's still pre-market. But if I were to buy, this would be where I would buy. And let's see, depending on how many shares I had, I'd have to calculate my risk to reward and all that kind of stuff. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. Reward and all that kind of stuff. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. Reward and all that kind of stuff. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. Reward and all that kind of stuff. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. The reward and all that kind of stuff. The reward and all that kind of stuff. But in general, yeah, that's where I. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. The reward and all that kind of stuff. The reward and all that kind of stuff. But in general, yeah, that's where I. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. Okay. So we got the reward. 1 minute till market open. The reward and all that kind of stuff. The reward. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. So we got the reward. 1 minute till market open. The reward and all that kind of stuff. The reward. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. Okay. So we got. The reward. 1 minute till market open. The reward and all that kind of stuff. The reward and all that. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. So we got. The reward. 1 minute till market open. The reward and all that kind of stuff. The reward and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, that's where I buy. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. So we got. The reward. 1 minute till market open. The reward and all that kind of stuff. The reward and all that kind of stuff. The reward. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. So we got. 1 minute till market open. The reward. 1 minute till market open. The reward and all that kind of stuff. The reward. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. So we got. 1 minute till market open. The reward. 1 minute till market open. The reward and all that kind of stuff. The reward. But in general, yeah, that's where I buy. Okay, so sorry about that. I don't know what was going on there. Wow. So RKDA continues to fall out. It was RKDA was up 23% for the day. So I'm just gonna wait 1 second. This is good action. This is really good action. Let's see. Okay. So we're just taking a tester 100 shares long. We're gonna see how this does. It's probably gonna have some follow through to the downside, but I just want to see. Nothing too crazy, as you can see. It's only 100 shares. Only in the market 800 bucks, so it's nothing too crazy. Oh, there was also another stock I wanted to see, ACB in Canada. Yeah, Micron came right back down to 54.85, so I'm gonna wait a second to see what happens. Yeah. Oh, here we go. It's popping out a little bit. There we go. There we go. So the mayhem has started. Let me take this $50, and then we'll get in with the real position. Oh man, come on, guys. Okay, so we took 30 bucks, whatever. Um, it was a good buy at the bottom there. That's again, that's what I was saying earlier in the morning. I wouldn't buy at the bottom. Sorry, I wouldn't buy at the top of a green. I would wait for the bottom of a red or the beginning of a new green candle. Don't if you think it's going, don't wait until it gets 20, 30 cents into the move and then hop in because you're gonna have to wait for all the early birds. So yeah, that was a decent little trade real quick there. Nothing too crazy. Micron came down to 54.85. I should have grabbed some there, but it's okay. So oh yeah, sorry this looks so ugly. That's what it looks like on the 1 minute. 3 minute. That's what it looks like. Right? So that was pretty decent. That's not bad. And I probably could have held on for a bit longer, but not gonna risk it. There we go. And I'm still just watching and waiting. Oh wow, moving like a beast. Micron is making pushes. Again, if I was gonna get in, I should have probably got in at sub 55, but it's pumping. Yeah, so I'm just waiting again. RKDA is moving around. Oh, hold on, I got a phone call coming in. 1 second. It's probably one of my traders. Good morning. Oh, nothing. I'm just watching Micron, uh, RKDA, GBT, and you see the Micron pop and AQ. Yeah. Yeah. I I, I took your advice. Well, I took your advice and I'm streaming on YouTube right now. I oh, it's yeah, it's transparency trust. I actually don't know what it's under to tell you the truth. How to tell people to get here. Yeah. Wait, I can watch on view page. Hold on. Oh yeah. Okay. Um, yeah, it's Transparency Trust Canada Live. YouTube.com/Transparency Trust Canada Live. What are you saying? Oh, okay. I know.
then it could go down to $54.
Yeah, the support is at $54. That's what I did earlier this morning. If you want, yeah, if you want the analysis, you can run it back. Da 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 da. But yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, sir. But CARA, it wasn't doing much. Oh man, GB,
Now it's doing something.
uh, GBT is what's Kara at? More than $20?
CARA, yeah, it's 21.55 now.
Oh, it's softer.
That's where I could. Somebody got filled at 1960.
I hope you guys see those fills that is happening right there. In RKDA, those are I don't know if you've ever seen those, but they're what are they called? Market. Terry,
Yeah.
what's it called again when you put in the order and you don't on a certain gateway?
Market maker.
No, my God, how can this term have slipped my mind? Goodness gracious. I'm gonna be able to tell you in 1 second. It's a dark order, is what I was just trying to say. That's it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Dark. Well, the stop loss is not working.
What do you mean?
I'll put it in. But I'm gonna put it in right now. 54. Yeah, 54.60. And then I'm gonna buy at 54.
I want to go in like 10,000 shares in RKBA, but I gotta wait because it's volatile. Okay, Micron's coming down to a level where we could probably get in and make some profit.
RKD is on NASDAQ. Yeah. Oh shoot! I didn't even come in yet. Yeah, I'm gonna put my stop loss at 440.
Well, I didn't. I'm not in.
Huh?
I'm not in. How come ACB is tanking? What the heck?
ACB? Yeah, I know. I saw that too.
I don't understand. Like they just got the biggest debt.
ACHB?
No, ACB.
Oh, ACB.
Yeah, Aurora Cannabis.
Oh, is that on TO?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna come in right here. Well, look.
You're coming in here on Micron?
Yeah, 54.75. Put my stop loss at 54.40. Only on 100 shares.
54.40. I would stop loss it at 54.52.
But I'm showing you, like, the stop loss. Look, are you looking at my screen? The stop loss, I put a stop loss on yesterday, and it didn't take me out on my stop loss. Like, it's showing that it has it. The script is there.
That's weird.
Okay, I'm glad it didn't take me out, and then one of them. But I kind of, it should be taking me out, though.
But you got in?
Yeah, I'm in at 54. I'm in at 75.
54.70.
54.75, 100 shares.
Okay.
Coming out at 55.20.
Bro, ACB shouldn't be tanking like this. I want to buy. So, Kara's kind of taking a downturn now after being up $5. Micron's getting feisty around these 5476 levels. Um,
Oh, you gapped up?
what?
Yo, you see what OLED is at? It's like $83 right now.
That $100 stock?
OLED, yeah. It's at 83.
That's terrible.
Let me go look at it right now.
You see your Micron buy or no?
Yeah, I already have a come out for 5520 on this shirt.
It was a decent buy.
Yeah. OLED's not even doing any numbers. So. You see it on my screen?
Mm.
Okay, what was this on the screen before? Okay, alright. Damn, it may not go to where I want it to go. I may have to come out at 55. Okay, AD, where do you want to get this 10,000 in at?
The 10,000 in RKDA?
Yeah, where did you want to get it in at 80?
85. At 885, but it's.
Then I'm good, decent.
I know, but it's too volatile at 885
Yeah.
for 10,000 shares.
Yeah, it is.
Like, yeah, that's a little bit risky. Um, I just did 100 shares just to test it out, especially since I'm live too. You know, I don't want to disappoint these guys.
Exactly, right?
Yeah, so I gotta manage risk, and that's the main thing. Managing risk, making sure I'm okay. Um, okay. Look at Micron.
I know.
Are you out already? Please tell me you got in and out.
Well, I was going to stay until like 54.
Until 55?
Until 55. Yeah, my bad. Until 55 money. That was like, it was just touching 90.
It was just touching 90s. I looked up. I'm like, what the heck? Oh, you can hear that, huh? Yeah. Is it clear?
Yeah, clear.
Phew. That's okay. Yeah. All right. Micron looking good. Looking good. We're looking for a Micron buy at 54. I swear if we're patient, we'll get one, but I don't know. Even 54, 52 would be blessed. But I'm not trying to get involved in any of this crossfire here. RKDA showing another entry point, but nothing I'm interested in as of yet. Kara popped up. I was looking at Kara at sub 20. Moves like a beast. I'm looking at. Oh gosh, it moves. Oh, okay. Wait a second. I didn't know Kara was moving like this, and we're gonna make some money on Kara today.
Yeah, Carol's doing numbers now.
Whoa. I didn't know Kara was moving like this. So let me switch. Again, MU is showing another entry point. Kara is ready to go. It is ready to go. Um, Let's see. Let me see if I can get in at $21. 1,000 shares in cash should make me $1,000 in the next minute if I get in at 21. So, I'm, huh? Yeah, man. Okay. So RKDA is on the back burner. We're putting full attention to Kara and a $21 entry. Let's see what. Yeah, it's. I can still see it. I just switched it. Yeah, back burner for sure. Um, okay, they're asking me to get in now, so I'm gonna take the bait and I'm gonna get in. Yeah, I'm gonna take the bait. I'm gonna get in at this. So with putting true. Yeah. Yeah. So right now I'm just testing where the shares really are in Kara. I put 100 shares in at the bid, and since it popped off the bid, it means that 100 shares are not available there right now. So it's just testing and confirming like where's the cash flow right now. And as you can see, as I say that, it pops up. So that's a good thing too, because if I really wanted to go long heavy, that should tell me, okay, you can go long really heavily here. So we'll see what happens. It's at the VWAP, something that I don't condone doing, buying at the VWAP, selling at the VWAP. You want a deviation, you want a clear path, path of least resistance for the stock to go back to, but as of right now, um, we'll see what's up. Micron? I think that's good. Yeah. Hmm. Okay, so Kara's not doing anything for me right now. This long candle is messing up my chart, so I'm gonna clean that up. Hold on. So 15 minutes ago. Look at it explode. So like I said, we could have got in there, but whatever. I'm trying to get 10,000 shares, so you gotta make sure. Um, I'll get 10 on both. Like I just want to know that it's stable at the price. You know, I don't want to get 10,000 because I see block orders going through of 1,000 plus, 3,000 shares here, 2,000 shares. You know, I just want to know that if I do that, it's not going to rock the boat too much. You know, because I do have to worry about risk. Um, RKDA is plummeting. Look at Kara trying to get to $22. RKBA might be a short here. Like obviously, and the same principle applies. I don't short at the end of a red candle because your margin for error is not that big. I'll short at the start of a next red candle if that's the trend, but I can't short at the end of a red candle. I would buy. That's Hey, Kara. Kara's obviously going to 22. Like, come on.
Yeah, we should have gone in from 21.
I know I tried. I put an order in.
I was looking at it too. And I was like, you know, look over it. Oh, the shares have gone up. They're looking low before.
Yeah. This could run up quick. I like when I see this happen.
Yeah. As I said, if it breaks this high at 23, you know, it can go to 25. Very possible. Or, let me see.
Okay.
Has it ever been to 25 before?
I don't think so.
Oh, it was. That one. A new height. New possibility.
Yeah.
I like 25 as a thing. Something. So like 27.
Mm.
Mark. Point.
Man, this is not what I expected from ACB. And look at Micron.
Chilling, bro. Yeah, I got out at a right price, you know?
Yeah.
Like the first time me you said, I hope you're out. That one really got me thinking, like, yo, I can't be thinking. Because normally I like to, like, put orders together when it goes there.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of thinking, like, oh, this is like, it may not be that point. Just come out and take your profit.
Yeah. Look at it blow up to 22, 25 quick.
Oh my gosh.
22, 25, pull back, and then bust through 22, 25.
Yeah, if it pulls back to at least 2150, you have to come in. Top left at 21.
Oh, 100%. These are some hot, I like these hot candles here. But again, it's like, in these stocks, anything can happen, right? So,
Yeah.
must be vigilant.
Canon may have to be a, RKDA.
Might have to be a buy.
Nah. Damn, I should have shorted MU.
No, it's not a short, man. It's gonna chill. Like, I looked
No,
at the.
when it went to the VWAP. When it went to the VWAP,
Oh,
and that spinning top happened.
yeah,
Like, even when it went to the VWAP and it did the inverted hammer,
yeah.
maybe it got at 54.70. Or maybe if it goes past that zone, like, that's obviously a short stick.
Mm.
Well, the free market, there is some resistance at 54.75 on free market.
I know. There's the pullback and break. There's the old classic pull break. Like, jeez. Still trying to make some decent money, some decent coin. I only made $30. Oh, I've been here for a half an hour, for heaven's sakes. Oh, here we go. There's the pulley. There's the pulley that we were looking for. Huh?
How much on it? You can go back to 21 side.
21.5?
Well, the VWAP is at 21.5.
Yeah, I'm at 21.5 with 2,500 shares. Let me in, boys. Yeah. I don't know. 2174 is also looking like 2174, 2168. Looking good. Look on. We could sit on that level back to. Oh, here it is. No! How could you? Oh, man. You crooks. I literally just put the thing on and I didn't have my. See, ladies and gentlemen, that's why you should have your keyboard on you at all times. That was the entry. Now I can't get in. Literally, I was like, oh, 2174, 2175. Ride it back to 22. That was my day right there. Shoot. All right, sorry guys. They are, bro. I literally just put my keyboard down to like make the lines on the chart as you can see, and then it went there and went back just like that. I was like, oh my god, come on. Yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, that was. But I think there's a little bit of weakness. It shouldn't have pulled back that hard. Like, jeez, that was a big pullback. Again, I'm missing my Abatis. Bro, that was a clean like that went down to 60 levels, like 67, 66. That's a fat pullback. No, I'm on the 3 minute. Where you that part? Man, sorry about that, guys. I wish I could have taken advantage of that trade to show you some action, but now I'm on the sideline again. So that's just that's me making a rookie mistake and not being ready to pull the trigger. Like, come on, we've been sitting here for half an hour. I'm getting itchy, and I missed the trade, right? So I know Micron's coming back to a buy level for us. ACB gave me a buy, but I was too focused on Kara, which might give us another buy opportunity here. And then RKDA is down as well. If anybody has any stocks they want me to check out, just type it in, and that's it. We'll go from there. Actually, look at Micron. This is where I wanted to buy it initially, like for the day, like let it ride up. So yeah, these guys are cheapskates. They're playing with the price of Kara right now, and don't get me wrong, guys. I'm just a hater. Okay, this is where I want Micron. I'll go heavy in Micron here, no problem. I said I'd go heavy in Micron. They give me 100 shares. Like, come on, guys. I'm trying to feed my family. I know. So, as you guys can see, I put in an order for 1,000 shares in Micron just now. Unfortunately, they only gave me 100, but it's whatever. It's whatever. You know. Yeah. See, that's 130 bucks right there. But again, they left off a zero, and you can see my order still in the market for Micron. So sorry about that, guys. There, this is. Yeah, my Micron order is still there. But, yeah. Oh, it's here. Car is ready. Hmm. All right, Micron gave us 1,000 shares, but decided to go lower than our price to do it. So we'll see what happens here. And then I gotta look for a buy in Kara. It almost came to 2150, which is where my initial order is.
Right now,
Hmm? Micron's playing around. I might cut it out if it doesn't go back up in the next little while. Oh, I got filled in Kara at 2150. So things are heating up now. Things are heating up. This is when I usually like to just focus on one stock. But we're in two, so it's okay. Maybe I took a little bit too much in Kara. Um, because yeah, we'll let it bounce around for a second. Micron is doing us okay right now. Uh-oh. Okay. So decisions have to be made quick because if I don't make a decision, I won't be able to trade. Oh, yeah. Okay. So you guys can see I have a limit. Okay, it came on. So you guys can see I have a limit here. So as I was talking and trying to explain things, I was saying that I might have gone in too heavy in Kara. Look at this candle actually. So what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to buy, obviously, down here. I should have waited for the candle to finish. Now it's down at 2102, and it's not looking good for me. Hold on. It's not looking good for me. Um, I would assume that there's a little bit more force going down, as we could see. So what I should do immediately is I should get out. This is a terrible day. Uh, it's it's a pretty bad day. It's a pretty bad day. Um, I should have got out so that I could continue to trade. Um, I know, but with it giving me this, I got to take a minor loss because I'm active again. Oh, all right. So I should have taken a minor loss there so that I can continue trading for the day, so I can make some money at some point. Um, so let's see what happens. Micron's not doing me too well. It's going down, but it's manageable. It's only 200, 300 bucks. Um, whereas Kara, if it moves, right? So yeah, Micron's down 20 cents. It might go all the way to 54 right now. But we're waiting. I just have to wait a second for. I just have to wait a second for this Kara. Yeah, I'm gonna manage this so that at some point today I'm able to trade and reverse this bad position. Hopefully, I only got 5 minutes on my timer, and if Kara, like again, if Kara doesn't do me justice, then I just gotta hop out and take the loss for the day. I think we're down 1,600. Yeah. So if we got out right now, and it would be down literally almost 2K. So it's not a good day. It's not a good day. It's bouncing around.
But it's not a support right now. Maybe just trying to come up with a 180.
2180.
Well, that's a far stretch. I'm looking at out here. On the 1 minute, yeah, it's like, well, it's just bouncing around because, like, like there's a lot of volume going into it. I think it probably has done more volume than its average volume for the day.
Yeah, but the thing is, it's already up $5 or $6, so I could lose a lot more than this right now. Because
Yeah, that's true.
it's coming from 17 beams. Like,
Yeah, that's true.
so if I don't,
Well, what's the pre-market high? I haven't looked at that, right? Well, it did break it and it came back down.
yeah, no, I definitely don't like it here. I definitely don't like it here at all. Or at least get out some of my risk, and then like if it gives me an opportunity. But I don't think it will. I think it's tanking. I think it's tanking. So honestly, the lesson is I shouldn't have stayed in the stock. As you can see, my order's at 2120. I should have got out there because it was already a bad trade. So there's no rationalizing staying in a bad trade. I should have just got out. And now I'm paying the price of trying to rationalize staying in a bad trade. So there it is. So I didn't have to do that order just now. The market saw that I was taking way too much risk, and they're like, okay, buddy, you're out. So on the first day of Transparency Trust Trades live, remember we're down $2,696 Canadian. So I'm gonna write that down, and then I'll debrief you guys tomorrow morning on our like this was the first day, so I'll keep a ledger here. Minus 2.696K, and that's CAD. Okay. So so the thing about this, so um, let's analyze a little bit before I get out of here. Okay, so I was waiting for again, I was waiting for a buy to go along with this amazing run up. We had been seeing uh, upward pressure all day, and I figured, hey, you know what? Let me get a piece of the pie. So I put a large order in at the VWAP, and that's usually where we'll come and test and then bounce back off of. But it was obviously too large. You can see I got caught right in the middle of the storm, and then this is the thing that happens. Once you get caught in the middle of the storm, then you got to start talking about, oh, it might come back here, it might do this, it might do that, and it hurts. Like it hurts you as a trader. You know what I mean? With this one, let me just show RKDA. Whoops. Okay, so with this trade, I was at the bottom. I had no psychological wear and tear whatsoever. I was like, yeah, I got this, right? Even Micron, I had 1,000 shares in Micron, and I had it there. It was playing around, and for this guy, I wasn't out of my seat or anything. Really and truly, I wanted to get back. I wanted to get another 1,000 shares at 54, but that's for another day. And that's where the support told us it was going to go to, anyways, 5408, 5402. But that's another story. So that was happening. At least for that one, I didn't get caught in the middle. I had time to get out of that one. More than enough time, but then we got overconsumed with, there it is, 54 right there. But anyway, so then we got overconsumed with Kara, right? And I was watching Kara in the morning. Like, remember, I had this up, and I think I think I had a target here or something like that, 19. But we were watching Kara. I saw it do numbers and I got excited. I was like, hey, I've been sitting here for half an hour, nothing's happened. Let me go ahead and take this trade. So I took it, and the mental capacity, or sorry, the mental fortitude that it takes to get in here and it to go against you, and then it comes back almost to even, and then it drops off, and you're like, when can I get my piece of pie? It's like I should have just got out, because a $900 loss turned easily into a $2,500 loss, which shouldn't have happened, right? So it's okay. Tomorrow we'll debrief. The system locks me out. I gave myself a pretty large. Um, it's called loss from top. So what that is I can lose, I think, 1,600 bucks a day, um, if need be. If need be. Just gives me some room to make some mistakes, get in if I haven't gotten in, all that kind of fun stuff. So wow, Kara's really wow. You see Kara?
Yeah, fuck, I should have came out earlier.
So it's crazy because I got locked out. So that could have been another $2,500 down right there. So you can see that the program actually does save yourself from yourself sometimes. Like, I probably still would have been like, yeah, good return, but look what would have happened to me. Now I would have been pissed. Now I obviously wouldn't pull the trigger because I'd just be at the mercy of the market. So, but I'm hoping you guys like the presentation, and come back tomorrow morning, same time, and we'll go at it again. An hour. I guess we were here from 9:15 this morning, so we'll do from 9:15 till 10:30, and you can check out my trades. For the week, I'm down. As far as you guys know, for the week, I'm down $2,696. My name is Profit TT. Sorry, Profit underscore TT. If you want to add me on Instagram, or Snapchat, that's what it is. And you can see, day to day goings and all that kind of stuff. I think this is going to be in an archive, which will be cool. And honestly, I'm hoping you guys learned something from this, because it's not good every day. Obviously, I would have loved to show you. Um, I would have loved to show you a great trade or whatever, and I kind of got robbed in Micron earlier when they only gave me 100 shares instead of 1,000. But those are things that happen that I got to deal with. I got to take the good with the bad, or the bad with the good. So, and I'll fully do that with the market. But yeah, tomorrow we'll definitely make some money. Um, I won't be too excited. Tomorrow I'll just be a little bit more patient, and I know with an hour and 15, we can make a little bit of bank. Um, so yeah, just get back at us tomorrow. Thanks for watching. We out.